This shit mad good.
Pass the Dutchie from the left hand side. Pass the Dutchie from the left hand side. We come back. The taco done.
Yeah, what's good? It's Dutchie Monroe, and I would like you to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for whenever I post another video. You will be notified. And I'm coming at y'all with yet another cooking video. Being that I am a chef, you know I gotta throw in some helpful cooking videos every now and again. So here today, we are in the kitchen twisting up some cheddar broccoli soup. I got this soup from when I was ordering from homechef.com, and it just stuck with me, you know? So here we are getting to prepping out the ingredients, right? We got the broccoli we gotta cut up after washing off the outside world. Now you want to cut the broccoli florets off from the stem and then cut the florets into smaller sizes. Remember to clean your board after each and every task. Now we're going to head into cutting the celery. This we're going to wash off, clean it up, cut it at the root from the bottom, and then take each stalk and slice it. I like to only take off the pieces that I'm going to use, wash that off, and leave the rest to clean off later. Don't do it like me though, because you may forget to clean off the whole thing before putting it in the fridge to store. Slice the celery thin because I don't really like chewing on thick pieces of celery in my soup. You want to make all the vegetables bite-sized and of similar size so they could cook down properly. If you desire to have more of a chunky soup, make the vegetables you decide to use into bigger pieces. Also, take off a couple of celery leaves and put them to the side to leave for garnish later. Next up is the onion. If you haven't seen how to properly cut an onion, then go check out my other cooking videos. But for now, let's cut into this onion, and we're going to use this whole onion for this recipe. Now that we are done with the vegetables, let's move on to the butter, baby. We're going to need 4 tablespoons of butter and add that to the pot. Then we're going to take the onions that we just chopped up and add that. Let it cook down until the onions are transparent. Oh yeah, have the heat on medium. So you got the butter melted, right? The onions cooked down a little bit, right? Add in some flour and then whisk that and throw in a good 2 cups of chicken broth and season. Let that sit and cook for a little bit, whisking every so often. Then go ahead and throw in them veggies. We got the broccoli, let that cook a little bit. Then we got the celery, and last but not least, shredded carrots. I decided to get the carrot pre-cut instead of cutting them myself to make my life a little bit easier. Cook down for a little bit, let them soften up. Now while the veggies are cooking down a little, get your bread rolls ready. Take a knife, cut the top, and use a hand just to pull out the inside of the roll. Don't pull too much out or the soup will soak through and create an opening for it to spill out. So be mindful of how much you are taking out of the middle. After enough time has passed, add in a good 2 cups of milk to your soup base. Whole milk, condensed milk, 2% milk. I don't think almond milk would work, so I don't think you should do that. Last but not least, add in 3 cups of shredded cheddar. To taste, and then fill up your roll. Garnish with more cheese if you like, and the celery leaves. Enjoy. Bon appetit. Mwah. This shit good. Woo. This shit mad good. My mom gonna be like, yo, this is amazing. I ain't gonna smoke.